Hi, everybody. I am popping on here to talk to you all about this week's energy. And intuitively, I tapped in and basically I feel like I'm trying to row a boat through molasses. It's slow, sticky, and a bit frustrating. After we had the new moon in optimistic Sagittarius on Sunday, the waxing, that would be the increasing moon, moves through the signs of Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces this week, which inspires us to dream big and chase our ambitions. But with both Mercury and Jupiter in retrograde in opposite signs, plus Mars going retrograde in Leo later in the week, the universe seems to be saying here, hold up, not so fast. It's not really a stop sign, but more of a yield, which gives us an opportunity to slow down and think things through as we enter the final month of 2024. So I went ahead and pulled a tarot card for you all this week, and the tarot card that came out is the Hanged Man. And this is the perfect card for this energy. It reminds us that when progress feels stalled, it's an invitation for us to shift our perspective. Instead of pushing against the tide and trying to force an outcome, instead take a step back and look at the bigger picture. And whether this is your career, a personal project, or a relationship, a pause, whether voluntary or involuntary, gives you the space to think about how to approach things with fresh eyes. What might initially seem like a roadblock may actually be an opportunity for you to revisit a plan, decision, or goal, and to assess whether you want to move forward as planned or maybe take a different direction entirely. Now, as much as some of you may want to power through this week, if something is just not happening despite your best efforts, you may have to think about if divine timing may be at play. The retrograde energy is here to show all of us what's worth our effort and what's not, as well as how a shift in perspective may be just the thing to get you back on track. Those slow moments, they're not a waste of time. We've been told that, we've always got to be busy all the time, but those moments of pause are where the magic happens. Let's look closely at the halo of light that encircles the hangman's head. This glow symbolizes his crown chakra, lit up with inspirations, dreams, and aspirations, as well as an inner knowing of when the time is right to turn those visions into a plan. The hangman's illuminated perspective reminds us all that the greatest breakthroughs often come when we stop trying to force things to fit, like hammering a square peg in a round hole, and instead trust the natural flow of life. Sometimes things happen or not happen for a reason. And who knows, this pause that some of you may be experiencing out there might be that perfect opening that uncovers opportunities you hadn't imagined before, leading you to something even better than you had planned. Okay, you guys, that is it for me. I hope you found this intuitive message helpful. And if you did, please consider liking this video and subscribing. And as always, I love you all and have a fantastic week.